Okay, fine. At least you guys were
Recording in progress.
Okay, so let me just open my notes. Any idea what we're going to be doing today? Any idea what we're going to be doing today?
Types of contents, na?
Oh, ये किसने बोला?
Me, Amrita.
Okay, so someone's paying attention in class. Also, चलो ठीक है, whatever. Good, Amrita. I'm happy that you are. Okay. पार्थ कल क्लास में क्यों नहीं आए थे? क्या? Yeah. I can't believe it. Class से ज़्यादा important party. चलो बाय द वे अब यहाँ जो भी है इस क्लास में आप लोगों का हमेशा टाइम होगा 7 o'clock, ठीक है? Cool with everyone?
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
Hello, good evening, ma'am. Hello.
अब ठीक है वाईफाई guys, please आ रही है, just bear with me. Is it cool?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm so happy it is. Okay. So basically, what is content? Okay, it's basically the currency of the internet. Okay, and there are like hundreds of like types that brands actually can focus on creating to engage your audiences, to reach new target markets, to provide value to customers, and entice new prospects. Okay, in the sense there are like many different types of contents that are basically out there, and for brands it can be difficult to know that which ones to focus on. So what we are basically going to do today is go over some type of like content types, sorry, some content types, and you can understand how you can use them to drive growth. Okay, so first we'll be talking about blogs. किसी को पता है blogs क्या है? Anyone who wants to talk about what blogs are?
Yes, what type के होते हैं ना?
Narrative experiences or stories.
Log stands for web log, so it is like a digital diary kind of.
Okay, not
A
bad.
video blog is known as a blog.
Blog, yeah, but I'm not talking about vlogging. I'm talking about blogs in general. चलो ठीक है मैं ही बता देती हूँ ठीक है so now blogging has basically been around for as long as the internet has ठीक है but the practice has actually become more sophisticated over the years especially when it comes to businesses ठीक है now businesses have started to use blogs to engage their audiences and now अब क्या advantages है ठीक है so the blogs are basically relevant high quality and well written pieces about topics that your audience finds interesting so they can actually be a great tool for building authority trust relationships and obviously consequently it can help you drive conversions सबको पता है conversions क्या होती है okay so I'll explain the concept of leads and conversions to you guys. So this is actually what happens when you're doing sales, right? So for example, if you guys are involved in sales and you want to sell something, let's say that ये एक pen है, ठीक है? And Rutuja wants to sell this pen. So now the scene is that I'll say, okay, you know, Rutuja, जाओ मतलब 5-6 लोगों को ऐसे pitch करो, try to tell them the benefits of the pen, what is so good about it, and why they should buy the pen. And sorry. My bad. Yeah. So now Rutuja is gonna go to like different people. She's gonna go to Jitendra. She's gonna go to Chris. She's gonna go to Anisha. She's gonna go to Chaitali, Ganesh, and she'll tell them कि अच्छा ठीक है ये everything about the pen. Now Ganesh might show some interest. Chris might show some interest. Parth might show some interest. Okay. So ये सारी उसकी leads बन गई. That all of these guys are interested. The other two didn't even care. They're like, whatever. So these guys aren't the leads, but the people who showed interest in this pen are the leads. Okay, after pitching for this pen. Now, Rutuja goes and she takes a follow back. Sorry, follow up. She takes a follow up and she says, okay, you know, like this pen you were supposed to tell me if you still want it or you don't want it or whatever. And उसको जो आगे से रिप्लाई आता है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल उसकी लीड थी क्रिस, तो क्रिस उसको मना कर देता है कि मैंने आई थॉट ओवर इट, आई डोंट थिंक आई नीड दिस पेन एज ऑफ नाउ. सो वो कन्वर्ट नहीं हुई, वो लीड कन्वर्ट नहीं हुई, क्रिस ने भी मना कर दिया. बट यू नो शी गोज टू गणेश एंड गणेश इज लाइक ओके यू नो आई थॉट ओवर इट एंड आई रियली फील लाइक दिस pen will give me some value. Okay, this pen will provide me with some value. तो क्या हुआ, लीड गणेश ऋतुजा की लीड था एंड वो कन्वर्ट हो गई, वो लीड कन्वर्ट हो गई because Ganesh has gone ahead and he has bought this product. Okay, so till the time that the person is just interested in your product, that person is a lead, right? But when the person purchases your product, then it's called a conversion. Fair enough? So, blogs, basically today's blogs, can also help in driving conversions. Okay. Other benefits of a blog are that, you know, posts are actually relatively easy to write and publish. They're also very easily shared and they're easily discovered by search engines. Can you just give me 1 second? Guys.
Back at Tata Value Home, Eureka Park, Sector 150,
मुझे
Noida.
पूरे दिन ऐसे calls आते हैं यार. If anyone knows how to like get them blocked, please like let me know. Hey, what? Tell me. So what does that do?
बट ब्रो इम्पोर्टेंट हुआ तो
हाँ. But the problem is that this place where I work, like Homeflick Grow, the thing is that I have like many interns who like work under me, right? So they might want to talk to me or get in touch with me. But I can't do anything now. Like I don't save everyone's numbers. For example, you guys also. I obviously haven't saved like everyone's number here. But if you guys need to talk to me and you guys call me, तो फिर like वो silence हो जाएगा. It's not good. At least I need. मुझे क्या पता किसका है, वो तो ठीक है, बट मुझे कैसे पता कि यू नो पार्ट इज कॉपी एंड नॉट लाइक सम एड. You know what, we'll discuss this later, but क्योंकि मेरे तो normally आता है, सारे सेम ही दिखते हैं, that's why I pick it up also. But
हाँ मैम आजकल ऐसा नॉर्मली वाले ज्यादा स्कैमिंग कॉल आते हैं.
एग्जैक्टली, यू नो मैं बहुत इंटेंटली उठाती हूँ कि ओहो ये क्या हो गया, और मैं उठाती हूँ OMG, क्या आपको पता है 3 bedroom floor, and I'm like man I couldn't be bothered right now. ठीक है, so anyway, moving on. ठीक है, so now I was just basically telling you that they're very easy to write, they're easy to publish, they're highly shareable, and you know they're also easily discovered by search engines through search engine optimization. Okay. Now, the best practices if you actually want to get into blogging, okay, if you don't have self-hosted like blogs, you can use services such as WordPress, Tumblr, Medium, and Blogger. These are some websites where you can publish your blogs. Okay. And now obviously blogging is a regular commitment, like you have to keep doing it again and again, and you have to be prepared to post every couple of days. Okay. And definitely, you should also always include a call to action in each post and link blogs to each other and to other content to actually help readers to discover more about you. Now, anybody knows what a call to action is? Ajendra, बोल दे शर्माओ मत.
No,
Call
ma'am.
to action is like, for example, under a post, if you write something like for more followers, or like you're basically influencing your audience to like follow you or interact with your content.
No, it's like basically just directing them to. I
Yeah.
mean, you're kind of right actually. That is basically directing your audience to carry out a particular task. For example, I say that, for example, I'm saying that, oh, do you like this henna design? Do you like that henna design? Do you like this tattoo? Do you like that tattoo? Okay, swipe up for more tattoo styles. Now, when I'm saying a swipe up for more tattoo styles, I'm telling you to do something. Okay, that's a call to action. So the person will swipe up, they will see more tattoo designs, they have been linked to your blog. Okay, so अब आपके blog को देख लिया हमने, right? Then at the same time, it's like, oh, do you like Pepsi? Do you like Coke? Do you like this? Coke has these many. अब मुझे मन कर रहा है कोक पीने का. But anyway, Coke has these many benefits and blah 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 blah. If you wanna buy Coke, click here, right? So buy now, follow for more, swipe up. All of these things are like typical call to action things that you're going to see on the internet. Okay, and when you're already in conversation with someone and unko baaton baaton mein uljha ke you say that, okay, call to action, like you add a call to action there, oh, follow it or like something like that, then they're more likely to do it. Okay.
हेलो मिस तो
हाँ.
गिव अवे करते हैं ना, लाइक गिव अवे करते हैं हम लोग, लाइक कि हम इतने चीज दे रहे हैं तो तुम्हें ये स्टेप फॉलो करने पड़ेंगे, तो पहले फॉलो करो, लाइक कमेंट करो, अगर तुम विनर हो तो लाइक तुम्हें मिलेगा.
नहीं, बात तो सही की आपने. वैसे गिव अवे में काफी लोग ये करते हैं. You're right about that. Wait, I just want to open something to show you guys. हाँ, ठीक है. So now, okay. So now another thing that I mentioned was that you should also link blogs to each other and to other like content to help readers like discover more about you. Right? Now let me show you. ठीक है. This is a book. ठीक है. Wow, crazy fact. But this is a book. ठीक है. अब पीछे इस बुक के अगर देखोगे, ये सेम ऑथर ने अपनी बाकी बुक्स भी डाली हैं. Right? So when I'm reading this book, I'm like, okay, I like it. It's nice. It's, put like a positive impression in my head regarding this book. And I turn the page. I like the author. And it's convenient for me. It's easy information. I know that these books are also by this author. I know the name of the books as well. So when you're putting in any content, you can always like do like a read more, like a, you can add a link to another piece of work done by you. Okay, that will also help drive conversions. Okay. Now, you should also optimize your posts with relevant keywords, and but also make sure that these keywords that you're actually putting in are flowing in like seamlessly and naturally. Make sure कि ऐसे मतलब थोड़ा weird नहीं लगे that like if you are trying to sell like Dairy Milk Oreo, नहीं ये Dairy Milk Oreo नहीं है, Cadbury Tips Oreo है, जो भी है, ठीक है, you're trying to sell this. Now, your keyword should be something like Dairy Milk, Oreo, biscuit, something like that. It shouldn't be like hashtag marvelous, hashtag tremendous. Like, is that related? I'm pretty sure you could have done without this. And plus, it's going to be a very useless keyword because if you're trying to sell this product, right, nobody is going to be searching marvelous, tremendous, and this and that if they want to buy a Cadbury thing. Okay? Harshita, what do you mean? Harshita, what's your question?
मैम ग्रुप में सब स्टूडेंट्स पूछ रहे हैं कि जिन्होंने रीड कर दिया, पे नहीं किया एंड ये कोर्स के ग्रुप में नहीं है, तो वो अभी पे करके ज्वाइन हो सकते हैं क्या?
Yeah. So they can, but they have to like do it through someone and then they'll be added to the group. Because you're from Thakur College, na?
मैम ठाकुर कॉलेज के स्टूडेंट्स हैं लेकिन उन्होंने मिस कर दिया लाइक दे डिडंट न्यू
So don't they want to join from the second batch? उसका भी group बना हुआ है. That will start from November onwards.
तो मैम ये पेमेंट्स एंड ऑल उनको
अभी
जैसे हमने किया वैसे हाँ उनको भी करना है
हाँ तो मतलब आई एम सेइंग उनको पेमेंट अभी करनी पड़ेगी एंड देन दे कैन जॉइन फ्रॉम द नवंबर बैच क्योंकि ऑलरेडी 5 क्लासेस हो ही चुकी हैं, राइट?
सो मैम किससे कांटेक्ट करना पड़ेगा उसके लिए There is Rama ma'am and Denise ma'am on the group. तो आप उन दोनों से बात कर सकते हैं
Rama ma'am is there on the group, so just ask Rama ma'am or you can come to me also directly. I'll get it fixed. Okay, I'll send you the link. Alright? And then get added on the batch too for Thakur College only. And matlab, abhi, like just tell them to do it now because the batch is almost already full, I think. Right? So tell them to do it like ASAP then. Okay?
Okay ma'am, thank you ma'am.
Fine. So, where was I? Okay. So, obviously now if you're doing like, if you're writing blogs, then you also have to finally make sure that you focus on topics that will interest your target audience and, you can use your expertise on the subject to build authority and trust. Okay. But at the same time, if we're talking about written posts, blogs, guides, and more, okay, it's somewhat like similar. Okay, like blogs, written posts, articles, guides, format almost उनका similarly होता है, ठीक है? So if we're talking about the advantages, okay, so these articles like demonstrate your company's knowledge and expertise, okay, which can again the same thing, which can help your brand build your credibility and reputation. Fair enough. So that's why blogs are helpful. However, if I have to tell you about the disadvantages of this like blogging thing, okay, so there is a lot of blog content out there and competition is very thick, okay, when it comes to blogging. So you need a lot of creativity to create new topic ideas. And I already like took the classes before this to explain to you, how to create like new topic ideas and everything. And writing also takes a lot of time to generate like content ideas, especially if you're explaining complicated concepts. ठीक है, तो अब मतलब ये disadvantages हो गए. But if I talk about how you should produce a blog, ठीक है, so to help you think of compelling content, you can look at trending searches. Okay, this will give you insight into the questions people want answers to, which can spark ideas and about what you should write. Now, this is what I mean when I say Google Trends. ठीक है, Google Trends की जो मैंने बात की थी कि look at the trending searches, see what people are asking, see what like answers you need to put out there. All right, Jitendra, Kanksha, Anisha, Saricha, Utkarsh, Chaitali, are you guys even here?
Yes, ma'am.
Cameras on कर लो.
Ma'am, we are here, ma'am. It's just for today, ma'am. As if you heard, Rajasthan में कोयला खत्म हो गया, तो there is no light.
How crazy! We were just discussing this topic yesterday about the coal shortage and like it started impacting us sooner rather than like later. This is actually quite scary to hear.
In Bihar, it is just for 3 days. After 3 days, lights are going off now.
Same in Rajasthan.
Yes, ma'am. Same here.
Guys, हम क्या करेंगे?
And ma'am, I'm going Bihar
All
only
right, ma'am.
by 20. I won't be able to attend the lectures.
What are the implications for us? What does this mean? What does this mean?
Ma'am, it's gonna be like if there is light, then only we can attend the lectures.
तुम लोग वाईफाई के बिना मर नहीं जाओगे?
नहीं मिस नेट है ना वहाँ पे चार
डेटा है ना
क्या करेगा?
Okay, so basically data and all is fine, but like only the Wi-Fi is going because there's no electricity, right?
Yes.
Electricity in order to charge laptop of mobile phones. That's the problem.
Oh my God, guys.
Like
I'm
if
getting
there is any
scared.
kind of wedding and it's Diwali time also, it's gonna be a lot of chaos now in India.
Diwali to chodo, guys. Literally, to be very honest, right now, October. I know October has already come, but it's literally not that like cold right now. How will you guys sleep without your ACs?
Ma'am, in Mumbai it's raining every evening.
Yes, man.
यार ये किसी को आइडिया ये गुड़गांव वगैरह में ना हो जाए भाई मैं तो नहीं रह पाऊंगी
By the there is a higher chances कि metro cities में नहीं होगा जल्दी. Metro cities में
Yes,
एक महीना
thank
लगेगा.
God.
एक महीना लगेगा कोई अगर आया नहीं हो.
एक एक यार कोयला कहाँ से कहीं से प्रोड्यूस करो यार
नहीं मैं तुमको अभी ये जो बॉर्डर से कुछ इशू चल रहा है उसकी वजह से आ ही नहीं रहा है ना.
I'm really sorry by the way guys like I hope you guys make it out like my like heart goes out to all of you warriors please like make it out alive
Ma'am, keep your power bank charged.
huh
Keep your power bank charged.
I don't even have a power bank
Buy one more.
But you live in Gurgaon.
yeah
It will take time to get the electricity cut there.
just only मेरी भगवान चलो okay let's like go back to studying okay so now the best platforms for producing your blogs, I mean, not producing your blogs, like posting your blogs, will definitely be LinkedIn and Facebook because, especially if it comes to articles that are 1500 words or longer, okay, because you can post the whole piece there without any, interruptions, right? And you can also you can also put like a short snippet or like the link to the piece and if you want to do like if you want just want to put the link to your website or something you can also think about doing it on Twitter, okay, so Twitter is also like a very great bet for it, but the limited character count means that you can only include a link and a small quote, but it can also still help you in driving traffic to your website if like your quote is like good enough. I mean, this is a very bad tactic, okay? But does anyone know कि like Twitter में कितना characters you can have?
See?
3 characters भाई मतलब तुम 3 word लिखोगे नहीं word का नहीं है हाँ मतलब approx no not really actually I don't know it's 140 characters so 140 does anyone know what characters are?
Like anything, even a or number.
Yes, right. So good, amazing. Thank God you guys are learning in college. So basically, words or characters में difference क्या होता है? If I say that write me something for like 50 words, so every time you put a space, then the next word will get counted. However, if I say characters, anything and everything which is coming in that space, whether it's a punctuation, whether it's a word, whether it's an alphabet, whether it's a space bar, every single thing is counted. So Twitter has a limit of just 140 characters. You cannot exceed that limit, otherwise कुछ post नहीं होगा. ठीक है? And now I'll tell you what. When I was telling you ना कि like people try to like drive traffic into their website. अब एक बहुत गंदी टेक्निक है. Okay, I'm gonna tell you because मैं बहुत पहले ना Twitter पे होती थी. अभी भी हूँ but like through like the Homeflick account and stuff. But like जब मैं बचपन में होती थी. So it's just like a technique. I'm not asking you to do it, but I'm just telling you that people do it like that. Okay? So have you like I hope all of you guys are like young adults here, okay? So have all of you guys seen that like post that that 3 letter word and it's just like now that I have your attention, blah 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 blah. You guys know what I'm talking about? You know na?
A bit, a bit.
It's basically clickbait, right?
Clickbait or like something like oh, look at Shah Rukh Khan's snippet in this movie. Oh, look at John Abraham's kiss scene in this movie. And then they're like, oh, like these photos of Malaika Sharawat, jo bhi. And then, like, log to, matlab, So they went and like, it's clickbait again. They're like, oh, Malaika Sherawat. And then they click on it. And then, sorry, go ahead.
इमरान हाशमी
हाँ, इमरान हाशमी, ठीक है, इन बातों पे तुम्हारा जरूर कैमरा मतलब कैमरा नहीं, माइक ऑन हो जाता है. But anyway, moving on, what I was trying to say is that it's basically clickbait. You guys could also do it, but I don't think it's that ethical. But it's my like duty to tell you what options you guys have, right? So this is just a way for you guys to attract people and get them to come on your vlog. And at the end of the day, what do you need, man? Views. Okay, अगर ये clickbait करके भी मतलब 100 लोग, honestly it's going to be kind of like annoying for the people who actually did it. But if your topic is interesting enough, they might just stay and they might read about it. Okay, so like if you need 100 views on your blogs and ऐसे तुमने 100 लोगों को ऐसे clickbait कर लिया, 90 लोग तो आएंगे ना वो मलाइका शरावत सुन के. Even though she's quite outdated, please think of a new like more relevant actress now. But moving on. Now if we have to talk about a pro tip, okay, it's definitely to embrace the content calendar. Okay, so your content calendar is a framework for the ongoing story that you want to tell about your business and what content to share, right? So when you take a holistic view of your social media or email marketing output, you can turn ideas and broad strategies into actionable plan that can be tweaked as you learn more about what works best. अब simple भाषा में, ठीक है, मैंने like I did the चतुर वाला, now like simple भाषा में I'm gonna just say मतलब timetable. ठीक है, content calendar is nothing but a timetable which I'm gonna be teaching you in the next to next class. Okay, and you guys will be making your own content calendars, and I think that you guys will be doing in a group and then you'll come and like present it. ठीक है, there are like 4-5 like things that I have like planned for you guys, like what you'll present. Maybe 3-4. I don't want to burden you, but I'm gonna make groups so that you guys can like divide your responsibilities and it's not too much on one person. Fair enough? ठीक है. So anybody has any questions?
नो मिस, ये आपने कल ही बताया था.
Good. No, it's good. Like it's actually good that you remember. ठीक है. There's also listicles. ठीक है. Listicles किसी को पता है क्या है?
No, ma'am.
Yeah, you can write blog about anime, write blog about anything you want. I just got a like message. I'm not like talking to myself. I got a message on the chat box. ठीक है, you can write about anime and चल ठीक है. Listicles वैसे मतलब कुछ ज़्यादा crazy नहीं है. It's just जैसे like शादी में like दो लोगों का मिलन होता है तो उनका name को ऐसे fuse कर देते हैं, right? सब गए हो शादियों में, right? जैसे अगर for example विकेश की शादी, हाँ
दीपवीर टाइप्स.
दीपवीर, हाँ, hashtag दीपवीर. अगर विशेष की शादी करा लो उत्कर्ष से तो फिर विशकर्ष. And then if you want to be like even cuter, you can be like hashtag whiskers, right? Whatever. So it's nothing too crazy. Listicles is just an article plus a list. Okay, so list plus article is a listicle. Okay. Now, obviously, list articles may seem somewhat gimmicky, but they're actually extremely popular and they're not going anywhere. Okay, and if you ask me over blogs, I prefer listicles 10 times over. Okay, so one of the reasons that they're so popular is because they're so easy to read. They are very scannable, they're visually appealing, and when done right, they're very interesting and highly shareable. Okay, so I'm going to show you one listicle and you guys will understand apne aap se why like listicle might be more popular than a blog and why you yourself would want to like look at a listicle instead. ठीक है, अभी दिखाती हूँ. Guys, tell me like a list type of thing, like top 20 movies of 2020 या कुछ ऐसे मुझे कुछ भी बता दो, कोई भी टॉपिक पे.
Genres of music.
क्या?
Genres of music.
हाँ मतलब वो कर सकते हैं, but like something more engaging, like maybe like the top
Top 10 topics related to blog means trending blog ideas.
वो भी कर सकते हैं, but I want to do something like entertainment based. Let's do like top 10 Bollywood songs of
Top 10 web series.
something like that. ठीक है?
From the recent movie Shiddat.
Sorry. Top 10
The
web series.
recent movie Shiddat.
No, but we want to see a list. Okay. So here we have it. I'll show you.
Top 10 mistake in a movie.
ये देखो, ठीक है, देख रहा है? दिस इज अ लिस्टिकल, ठीक है. सो गाइस, लिस्टिकल का फॉर्मेट समझ लो पहले, ठीक है. सबसे पहले लिस्टिकल का ये फॉर्मेट लिखो. पहले तो सबसे बड़ा आता है कि व्हाट इज द टॉपिक, व्हाट इज द लिस्ट अबाउट, लाइक टॉप 30 बेस्ट नेटफ्लिक्स शोज टू बिंज इन 2021. फिर ऑब्वियसली यू आर गोना बी राइटिंग योर नेम, द डेट एंड ब्ला ब्ला ब्ला. Call to action, guys. This is the call to action. ठीक है, share. Right? You guys saw? Now, when you're writing that, okay, you can first give a brief. ठीक है? For example, there are more great and good Netflix TV shows that they're out to be. With new episodes and new series to watch weekly, it can get hard. It can be hard figuring out what to watch without getting lost in Netflix algorithm. We've handpicked a list of the best series to stream right now to help you spend more time on Netflix binging shows. You can also check out our list of the best Hulu series, best Amazon Prime series, blah 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 blah. ठीक है? Now ये क्या है? ये है call to action. ठीक है? ये backlink है, guys. This is the backlink that I was talking about. If you guys understand. First, you are already here. You're on the 30 best Netflix shows to binge in 2021 by these people. Now these guys, एक तो ये call to action कि you can share it around, whatever. Then here they're giving you links to their other pieces of work, right? Now, I don't really care that much about Hulu, but I might look at like best, Amazon Prime series, or I might go to the best Netflix movies, right? Now, here you go. This is how it realistically looks. So 30 Rock. Okay, then it's again. This is so convenient. Okay, they're giving you a read more. They're telling you, the summary. Okay, then they've given you the reviews, they've given you the genre, they've given you the who it's created by, they've given you the cast, they've told you how many seasons there are. If you're interested in reading what it's about, they've given you a summary. Now again, call to action, guys. Here is a very important call to action. Watch on Netflix. Literally, I can click on this right now and it'll take me to Netflix, but I don't want to like take you guys to Netflix because then you guys will judge कि मैं क्या देखते रहती हूँ. But moving on. Then there's like Breaking Bad. There's the Queen's Gambit, Squid Game, Arrested Development, and they've literally like done it in order of like what's the most popular and all that. Okay, so this is essentially what a listicle looks like. Can anyone explain to me the benefit of a listicle? मतलब जो तुम लोगों को लग रहा है कि how is this different from a blog? मतलब क्या इसमें इतना like cool था? Actually, hold that thought for 1 second. I'm giving you guys a 1 minute break to think about it. मैं पानी लेने जा रही हूँ. If you guys are also interested, तो जल्दी से पानी ले आओ, ठीक है? Okay. Wow, you guys are surprisingly well behaved. I always like think about that thing, when the cat's away, the mice will play. But literally, none of you mice were playing. So it's fine. It's good for the cat.
ये सब अपना अपना काम कर रहे होंगे.
Okay, Pranay, go ahead.
Okay, so basically, what happens is when anything is presented in a list, it is in a systematic and organized manner, which helps us to better remember things. So that makes an impact on the audience.
Absolutely right. Parth, you. Convenience factor, right?
Like the lists have heading, right? So you don't have to bother to read rest of the content. You can just read the headings and get over it. Like it's easier, it's faster. For somebody
And
who's like on the go, kind of just open it, read the headings, and you're done. Like not
if
you have
the
to sit and read everything.
if the heading is interesting enough, then you can like read more. Okay, they've even given you a summary, so that's also great.
It's
But
very crisp, like you don't have to read a lot of things as compared to a vlog. It's very crisp and simple. So you just read what you want to read. Like you don't have to find stuff in the entire paragraph what you want to read.
exactly, exactly. It's like the point is right there in front of you. If you need someone to elaborate on the points, then of course you have an explanation right there. Chaitali, you wanted to say something?
Uh, we get a lot more options because it's a list. We get a different, like, we get options to select in. Like, there are many more options to, like, yeah, this one is also there, there's another one. We get a lot of options in that.
Guys, if I tell you something really crazy, ठीक है? जैसे अगर मैं तुम लोगों को बोलूं कि तुम्हारे क्लास पार्टिसिपेशन के मार्क्स हैं, so don't you think the scenario of the class would be really different? And it's up to me. I can give you class participation marks. Should I actually start it?
Yeah, please.
Should I do class participation marks?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh my god, okay. I never heard anyone say this, but okay. If you guys are into all of that. संजीवनी नीचे से like लिख रही है no ma'am. नीचे से people are writing no ma'am to me, but ठीक है, तो संजीवनी और ध्रुव की नेगेटिव में मार्किंग होगी, बाकी सब न्यूट्रल है
Ma'am,
और
are we going to having a test like a report
Oh,
card?
ma'am, this is not fair.
Not fair, man.
no,
You asked for a vote, so I voted in no. So you can give me negative marking, ma'am.
चलो सॉरी ठीक है
खौफ है उसका.
कोई नहीं ठीक है I'm not gonna do that. But if I feel like I will, I can, it's completely up to me. I've been told that it's completely up to you however you want to do the marking scheme. So, matlab, like right now, I feel like very powerful. So, moving on, okay. Let's talk about what were we talking about actually पहले? Listicle only. हाँ, ठीक है. So now from a content creation perspective, listicles are also very easy to write because once you have a topic and a number, all you have to do is just fill in the blanks. Okay. So obviously that doesn't mean that you can just throw together a listicle without putting any thought into the content matter, because even this type of content has to be informative and high quality, and it was high quality, guys. Like at the end of the day, it was crisp, but it was relevant. And at the same time, another thing which was kind of engaging about the listicle is that it had visuals, it had pictures, right? So I mean, it just draws a better picture, right? It like helps people understand better. And listicle ka jo best practices hai, you always have to like number your subheadings in a listicle. Okay, always number your subheadings in a listicle and make sure that the number matches the title. This is like basic kindergarten, like elementary knowledge that I'm giving you. But ठीक है, like make sure the numbering is correct. Otherwise, you'll confuse the readers. Okay, and like other content types, list should still have introductions and conclusions. ठीक है? चाहे लिस्ट है कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, इंट्रोडक्शन कंक्लूजन इज essential, okay, for any type of written content. And they should be optimized, okay, with relevant keywords, again जो मैंने explain किया अभी Cadbury Dairy Milk का, ठीक है. And you can have as many numbers in your lists as you like, and long lists are just as acceptable as shorter ones, but details are like also very important. But um if you ask me, try to keep it crisp भाई, मतलब किसी को मतलब 100 पेज का नहीं पढ़ना तुम्हारा लिस्टिकल, चाहे मतलब कोई भी कंटेंट है, like literally guys just keep it short. Okay, now let's talk about ebooks. ठीक है, so ebooks are, चलो ठीक है, तुम बताओ, मैं क्यों बताऊं हर चीज.
Digital
बस वही इतना ही. ई बुक्स कहाँ मिलती है?
like we get online.
Kindle, online, yeah, exactly. And by the way, when I'm telling you guys this, please think about this from like a business perspective. Okay, like when I'm telling you, like, you know, what kind of, because at the end of the day, you have to, abhi shayad you're not promoting, chalo theek hai. I think all of you guys have like a different kind of, you know, a different kind of like set up what you're like, you know, about what you want to do after this course, right? Someone might want to like promote their business, someone might want to start the business, start their business, and some of you probably just want to be like, you know, influencers. I'm kidding, sorry. If any of you want to be influencers, then, you know, even for that, you guys have to make sure that you know what kind of like content is actually you're putting out. You need to know the advantages of the content, the disadvantages of the content, how you can mix two content types to create like better material, which is more engaging for your audiences. Okay. So ebooks are basically a type of long form content, and as the name suggests, obviously they're electronic books that often are available as PDF downloads or in HTML format. And this type of content can give you a great outlet to share your knowledge and expertise on a given topic. Okay? So ebooks actually have a number of benefits, including lead generation, establishing authority, growing email lists, and beefing up your overall content offering also. Okay? So now the best practices for ebooks. The main focus of an ebook should be on providing solutions, right? For example, now Ganesh is into real estate. So if Ganesh is supposed to release an ebook, okay, for his audiences, his ebook should be providing solutions to the questions that the audience has. Like what your ebook can basically have is the frequently asked questions, right? Like for example, when you're trying to crack a deal. Okay, so Ganesh is into real estate here, and let's say कि मैं कोई घर देखने आई हूँ and you're showing me the house. You do that, right? So I'm sure like if I come with someone and I might have some questions which you realize that अब जिसको घर दिखा रहे हो उन सबके पास ये similar questions हैं, right? So it will really help people if you can create a book on real estate and like what questions you should ask when before buying the house, right? It's like for example, if I go to like buy a house, I'm really sure that there are so many things that won't come to my mind just yet, but they are very important questions that I should know as like a homeowner, right? So you can create something like that in terms of like ebooks. And now I already told you that. Okay, so now you can also minimize the time you spend on advertising and focus more on generalized solutions while writing your ebook. Okay, and a good rule of thumb for ebooks is that keep the promotional elements to between 5 and 10% of the content. मतलब ज़्यादा ऐसे promote मत करो, because I feel like I keep trying to explain this to you. The best marketing is marketing which doesn't feel like marketing. Okay, like हम बहुत ढीठ लोग हैं, and I literally bring this up so many times because this has happened with me countless number of times. Okay, it's like when I used to come back from school, ठीक है, and I know कि like कल मेरी 5 डेडलाइन है, मुझे सारा होमवर्क करना ही करना है, I sit down to work and I know that I bloody need this. I need to finish this work, otherwise it's over for me. Okay, I sit down to study. My mom enters the room or my dad enters the room and they open the room. पढ़ाई कर लो. मैं बैठी थी, मैं पढ़ाई कर रही थी, बट अब आपने बोल दिया तो मैं पढ़ाई नहीं करूंगी. Now, I don't know why I have this inside me. I really don't know, and it's so horrible. But why did you tell me to do it? अब मुझे नहीं करना. Okay? And
It's universal thing.
It's what? Sorry?
It's universal thing. Everyone does this one.
Right?
So I guess we all have that too.
But अब इतना
Yes,
गंदा
ma'am.
है यार, मतलब मत बोलो यार, मैं कर रही हूँ. And I would do it perfectly. Like now, it's just that ego में बात आ जाती है कि मैं कर रही थी, आपने क्यों बोला, ठीक है? So now the thing is, I'm like dying. I'm like, oh, I really need to do this work. I really need to do this work. And inside I know कि like मुझे करना ही पड़ेगा. But then I'm like, मैं नहीं करूँगी. I have to maintain my resolve. Like like parents के सामने नहीं झुक सकते ऐसे. So फिर now what I'm trying to explain here is that your consumers always like to feel that they have come to this what do you call this conclusion nahi, yeah, they have come to this decision, okay, they have come to this decision all by themselves. Unko ye nahi, like they don't want to feel that like okay, someone's like forced them into it, right? Like so many times if you guys enter like a particular shop, okay, there might be like salespersons, like salespeople, जो भी, ठीक है, salespeople standing around you, and if you have a question, they'll guide you. But if they become too overbearing, like when you enter and you're like, ma'am, ये देखो, ma'am, वो देखो, ये इसमें ये है, उसमें ये, you get a little bit, and then you just walk out, right? Because you're just like, मुझे देखनी थी collection, मैं आई थी देखने collection, पर अब तुमने मुझे इतना irritate कर दिया, अब मैं collection ही नहीं देखूंगी.
Yeah, this happens in local markets. Like they approach you, even if you don't want to buy, they approach you, but then you don't want to buy it because it's so irritating. And they're
Exactly.
sitting in your head.
Exactly my point. So like I'm literally telling you that whatever promotional content there is now, keep it very minimal. Like मतलब बहुत कम रखा करो, because if your promotions are like too in the face and if they're not like subtle, then they're just going to be like, okay, like तुम तो एक ही चीज चाहते हो मुझसे कि मैं तुम्हारा प्रोडक्ट खरीदूं, right? So you don't want to do that. You don't want your consumers to be that one girlfriend of yours. Okay? So Joby, it's better if you just try to make them understand the benefits. You get them to you, that you are providing them with some value. Okay? Shambhavi is saying Sarojini Nagar is the best example here. I don't even want to go there anymore. Anyway, this type of basically content now basically demands research, time, and quality writing. So it's obviously best to have like a plan in place before you start writing this ebook. And now this content of doesn't necessarily have to be evergreen as in long lasting, okay, but if it is evergreen, then you'll get years of return on investment, okay, and you'll be able to use the ebook to continue reaching new audiences long after it's been published. Ebooks can be long, so be sure to break up the content using chapters, subheadings, bullets, graphics, infographics, and other interesting formatting elements. And you should also put some time into the title and the design, because this is what will actually attract and engage your readers. Okay. A lot of people say that don't judge a book by its cover, but I feel like a lot of us just judge a book by its cover. It's like when you see like a pretty girl or you see like a good looking guy, maybe they have the worst personality in the world, but it's your motivation first. Oh, she's kind of cute, and then you go and you talk to her, and you're like, and then you move away, right? But the fact of the matter is, तुम गए तो थे ना, मतलब हाय तो बोला था ना तुमने. So, I mean, you need to make sure that your the book is actually really looking good, because this conversation can go either way. Maybe the girl's but maybe the girl's so good looking. Oh, silly. Sorry. But maybe the girl is so good looking, and when you talk to her, she has the best personality in the world. Okay, so you want to be the second girl, not the first girl. Okay, So there should be more to you than just your looks. Okay, this is wow, self-help. Okay, guys, like really, it's the personality that really matters. However, it doesn't hurt to like look a little good as well. But moving on. Okay. Okay, guys. Sorry. I think all of you guys are like, just looking at me like, kya bol rahi hai? But whatever. I'm just saying that, guys, you should be like, presenting your content well, because at the end of the day, this course is also about content curation, how you present your content to the outside world. Fair enough? Okay. Now, again, let me tell you, the disadvantages of ebooks. Okay, so not everyone wants to read a whole ebook. This is so obvious. It's so in the face, and they take a lot of time to produce and find content that will appeal to your target audience. Okay, so while they can help generate leads, people don't actually always want to read them. Bhai. Matlab nahi padna. At this point, guys, just please, I want to make you guys understand the trend also and how the trend has shifted over the years. Okay, when you guys were probably younger or like much before that also, okay, the scene was that सिर्फ books ही होती थी. If anyone wanted to dive into fiction somehow, they would have to read a book without any pictures, without anything, just matlab read, right? Now tell me something. How many of you guys have read the book Harry Potter?
I think so. No one.
How many of you guys have read it? Just tell me. Anybody here? I mean, I have like till three books I have.
Yes,
Me
same.
neither.
But
Like
third book is
three.
only one part.
So
3
you
to 4
read one
page.
part. But how many of you have finished the Harry Potter series, like in the movie?
Yes,
Miss
full.
मैं
समझ रहे हो point that I'm trying to make. ठीक है, so now the thing is कि ये जो मैंने आपको बोला है कि 7 बुक पढ़ लो हैरी पॉटर की, this will take you like maybe 7 months to read, and if you're slower than that, it might even take you a year to finish the series, right? Indra ऐसे देख रही है, I don't know what this means, but okay.
It took me 1.5 months, like because my
To
school
finish
was going
7
on.
books?
I can complete a 400 chapter in a night. Like I'm a very avid
Indra,
reader.
I am sorry to say, but you must try to have a life. I'm kidding. I've just like really opened up with you now because you're my second this thing, so I'm just like messing around, okay? Like, but that's quite nice though. That'll really like take you far when it comes to research skills. But at the end of the day, it's like, when you have an option to read a book or like the option to read a movie, even though I have to give the books some kind of credit, because books में बहुत ज़्यादा ऐसा information होता है जो movies में नहीं होता है, and the experience is just better. But however, if you guys are not Indira and if you guys take a year to read a book, okay, then let me just say to you guys that you can literally have a Harry Potter marathon, in the sense you finish all the movies, okay, within maybe max 2 days, max to max 3 days. ठीक है, 3 दिन में तुम सारी खत्म कर दोगे. ठीक है, 3 days versus a year or a year and a half. What is more convenient? Obviously, the movie. You're shifting your styles of consuming content. Okay? पहले लोग लंबी लंबी वीडियोस देखते थे यूट्यूब पे, बहुत लंबी वीडियोस देखते थे यूट्यूब में. अब लोग टिकटॉक पे आ गए हैं, रील्स पे आ गए हैं भाई, मतलब 15 सेकंड में बोर्ड. You're like bored out of your mind. You're like, I can't watch this again. And then you're like, on to the next one. Right? So I'm just saying, please observe how the content consuming styles have changed over the years. Okay? That's also very important. Okay? And
मैम तभी तो YouTube Shorts भी है ना अभी.
Exactly. YouTube also had to improvise. That's what I'm saying. To be relevant in this day and age is very important. How Chris mentioned YouTube Shorts. Now YouTube is providing its old like traditional content like it always used to, right? But now YouTube has started with YouTube Shorts also, क्योंकि मतलब उसको भी reels करनी है, right? Because like reels is the in thing right now. So moving on, I don't know YouTube Shorts use कौन करता है, मैं तो नहीं करती, but I mean good for you guys if you do. Okay, so Now, if we're talking about how to produce an ebook is basically several, blog posts compiled together and, compiled together as chapters from the same category. Okay, so you will want to choose your best content, or maybe you could even hire a professional writer with experience to write your ebooks. Okay, now the best platforms, okay, for where you should put your ebooks. So users actually come to LinkedIn to connect with colleagues and learn relevant information about their job or other interests. So, which makes it an ideal network to share an ebook. And you could also look at Facebook and Twitter as secondary options for sharing your ebook. Instagram भी है, मतलब कर सकते हो, ऐसे कोई like crazy like चीज नहीं है. But okay. So for today, we shall end our class here. And Rutuja, attendance.
Yes, ma'am, I've took it already.
Okay, great. Okay, okay. Have you, by the way, added me to the sheet?
Yes, ma'am, I have emailed you.
Okay, that's perfect. Okay, I want to ask you guys just have like a, little chat.
Recording stopped.
I want to know if you guys are like so far understanding, if there's any feedback, anything you want me to know, anything you want me to like change, anything at all, any like feedback you guys want to give, anything. Because abhi like 5 classes हुई हैं. अब we're having 25 more classes. तो अगर मुझे अभी नहीं बताओगे तो फिर प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगी तुम लोगों को, मुझे तो नहीं होगी. So if you guys have to tell me anything, just like let me know. कुछ भी नहीं बोलना.
No, ma'am. Everything is perfect. We are
ये
enjoying.
क्या मतलब है ये इसका कुछ?
परफेक्ट है मैम, सब परफेक्ट है अभी.
इस कुछ लगेगा तो सब हो रहा होगा तभी आपको बोले.
Okay.
Particularly.
So right now you're understanding now?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
So someone just texted me saying, Miss बाल बांध के पढ़ाया करो. मतलब उसका क्या relation है? इससे क्या relation है? I just want to know what is the relation of my hair with what the course that I'm teaching. Guys, तुम लोग
डिस्ट्रैक्ट करते होंगे मैम.
हाँ?
डिस्ट्रैक्ट करते होंगे.
Guys, that's not fair. So what, guys? From next class, you guys want me to come tie my hair, like ऐसे जूड़ा बना के आऊँ मैं?
Absolutely not.
ठीक है यार भाई, like let me like put like keep my hair open. इतने मैंने like घने किए अपने बाल फालतू में बैठ रहे. I'm kidding. I'm just messing around. But anyway, I'll see you guys. Will I see you tomorrow? Yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. But yeah, guys, tomorrow by any chance, 7 yeah.
मुझे सब
मेरा जीना हराम कर दिया.